Okay guys, so we got some interesting news today. So the Fry Foundation has released that they're going to be listed on CoinInn in January on the 8th at midnight. So it is saying there, please note that algorand based deposits are not supported for this listing. Only BEP20 deposits of Fry should be sent to CoinInn. The official Fry BEP contract address is this. So what we're going to do guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can bridge your algorand Fry tokens and get them onto a BEP20 wallet address so that you can get yourself prepared for the CoinInn listing. Now, for us to take our Fry tokens that are on the Algorand network and get them on the BEP20 network, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take ourselves over to portalbridge.com, and I'll be leaving all the links for you guys down in the description just to make things easier. We're going to take ourselves over to the advanced tools. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to change the source to Algorand where our Fry tokens are currently at the moment. Then from here, for our target, we're going to change this down to the BNB chain. From here, we're going to press on connect. Now, click on any of the wallets of your choice from here. But for myself personally, I'm going to be using the Pera wallet. And from the Pera wallet, I'm going to be opening up this wallet on my mobile phone. And then I'll be scanning with the Pera mobile app. Once you have opened up and you have scanned, you'll be popped up and given a notification on your phone saying Portal Bridge wants to connect to your account, and it'll offer and ask which account you want to connect this to. So once you've connected this up, you can see that it does change on our screen here. Then we're going to click on the select token. So the token for choice today is going to be the Fry Foundation tokens. So we're going to press on the max button there. I think there's around about $50 to $70 worth of Fry there. And for something else that we're going to need to do is we are going to need to add the Fry's contract address to our wallet on Metamask. So what we're going to do is we're going to take ourselves back over to the tweet from Fry Foundation. We're going to copy the contract address. Like I say guys, I will leave this contract address for you guys down in the description just to make things very, very simple for you. You're going to open back up your Metamask. You're going to scroll down to the bottom. You're going to click on import tokens. You're going to paste this in here, and if it comes up correct, it should say Fry, as it has. Awesome. Let's press on next. Let's press on import, and there we have it. Okay, so it's currently showing that we have 0 Fry in our wallet at the moment. So as we see here, we've got 25,000 worth of Fry. We're going to press on next. So this is now asking us to add our target. So where when we switch this, we bridge this to the BEP20. So we're going to connect our Metamask wallet to this. We're going to make sure that we bring this over. Make sure that you click on the correct account. Press on next, press on connect. And there we have it, guys. So as you can see there, we have now connected up our Metamask and we've connected up our Pera wallet. So pay with your own BNB on the BNB chain, automatically remit. So as you can see there, there is a slight fee for switching this over. This wallet has a very low BNB balance and may not be able to pay for the upcoming transaction fees. The current balance is 0006. So let me check a look over at my wallet. So as we can see there, I'm sure that's perfectly fine as the amount. So let's press on the next button. And send transaction or send tokens, transfer the tokens to the wormhole token bridge. This will initiate the transfer on the Algorand and wait for finalization. If you navigate away from this page before completing step 4, you will have to perform the recovery workflow to complete the transaction. Press on transfer from here. You're about to perform this transaction from Fry Algorand to Fry BNB chain. The tokens you will receive are portal wrap tokens and will need to be exchanged for native assets. Click here to see the available markets for the wrap tokens. Let's press on confirm. Now it's asking me to launch my Pera wallet mobile app. And from here, I'm going to log into my app. And there we are. So we have an option to come up. It says Portal Bridge unsigned transaction. So I'm going to press on confirm all, and there we have it. Transaction has confirmed. Transaction successful on my app on my phone as well. So we'll give this a moment for it to finish as it is doing. Maybe let's have a little peep over into our wallet and see if they are there. So nothing is in our wallet at the moment. So to receive our tokens on the target in chain, we're going to need to press on the redeem button from here. As you can see, it has triggered up my Metamask, and we're going to have to pay a 21 to 25 cents fee in BNB, which is not a problem at all. Press on confirm. and boom, there we have it. Okay, let's check our wallet and let's see if we have the tokens now added to our... There we go, guys. So now we currently have 25,507 Fry tokens in our Metamask wallet on the BEP20 chain. Like I said, guys, this is all in preparation for the new coin exchange listing on CoinInn. Currently, there is a timer for the Fry token to be listed on the CoinInn exchange on the website. I'll make sure to leave a link for you guys down in the description, and also leave a link for you guys down in the description so you can sign up to the website as well. And in addition to Fry launching on the BNB network via the Wormhole Crypto for their CoinInn listing, they've also just made a PancakeSwap pool so you can actually trade on PancakeSwap as well, which I think is really, really cool. You can see here my tokens are already populated and showing up there for the ones that I've put onto the BNB network. Okay, so I hope you guys are just as excited for the Fry'sCrypto listing on the CoinInn exchange as I am. I'll be leaving all the links for you guys down in the description so you can sign up to CoinInn for yourself. And also as well, I'll be leaving the links down for the PancakeSwap so you guys can take a little bit of a look through there and put a little bit in there once you guys have converted that over to the BNB network. Like I say, you can see here on the whole or the wormhole scan, the transaction has gone through. It's all successful. It's into my Metamask. So like I said, all I really need now, which I've already done, is create myself a CoinInn account, and I'll be able to trade within the next 2 days and 11 hours and 21 minutes. Right, guys, make sure to like and subscribe and let me know down in the comments if you guys already converted and switched them over, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.